What are the keys that you're proposing for that?
Mr. Morgan, you have the floor.
Grazie Presidente. Ritengo
Thank you, President. I think it's somewhat paradoxical that the EU, instead of protecting our jobs, is actually undermining them. And despite the humanitarian rhetoric, it might be counterproductive. A possible reduction of duty for the coming 3 years on clothing coming from Pakistan runs the risk of scuppering the manufacturing sector in Europe with a loss of 120,000 jobs in the whole of Europe and 40,000 of those just in Italy. Of course, Pakistan needs to be helped, but we cannot adopt these soft trade measures when our country and other EU countries are suffering because of counterfeiting of textile products from Asia and in particular China. The Commission cannot cause harm to Italy because we represent 30% of the European textile sector. I think that together with Pakistan, our SMEs also need to be helped to exit the crisis by imposing duties and quotas on Asian products. I'm from Prato and we're fed up with such measures.
Thank you. Mr. Papanikolaou.
Thank you, President. The processing industry. Let me remind you that Pakistan is the fourth greatest global